This week, swipe your American Express debit card at any retailer or for online purchases to stand a chance to win a weekend stay at any hotel valued up to 30,000 rand. Welcome to all my fans on TV. Standard Bank Cup semi-finals. Stellenbosch 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. I'm joined by friend my brother Ikama Wanu Puma Wupi.
Akhona Nqundu Nphuma bekhaya manje Stellenbosch.
Akhona ibone kanjani game?
Hayi referee bayasimosa bra.
Kanjani?
Hayi penalty liya. Lichivan.
Yes.
Ayikho le fish oil ebeyenza apha.
Yes.
Wenza i-fish oil.
Wenza ikak.
Wenza i-fish oil.
Ikak.
Ndiyayihlonipha nje i-fish oil.
So kenziwe ntoni ngalabo referee?
Hey, makabuye back uGomez.
uGomez.
Abuye back from retirement.
Yeah.
Azobafundisa okanye bayathatha base ku workshops man.
Yes.
Yeah, uyababona abanye bebe unfit.
Yes.
Assistant ref.
Yes.
Unfit.
Papi.
Unfit. Unfit.
No matches so win.
Okay, baharishe mina.
Pakanye. Angeke ngikhona ukukuyeka. Ngakubuzanga ngemombela.
Hey.
Hayi zobe zishuba lapha.
Sundowns Orlando Pirates.
Zishuba.
Uzabe kunzima bhuti. Uzabe kunzima. Yebo talent mbatha. Yeah, Mufukeng.
Yeah. Bathi taxi lutho.
Sizawudibana kahle bayibhombela.
Uzowenzani?
Ndifuna ubashaya ngo-3.
3-0.
Yeah, kanti babhasele ngempama.
5.
Didi high.
5. Ngicela man of the match ngamhlanje.
Hayi ibingutapelo Murena.
Tapelo Murena. Yeah.
Umcimile uthi ulanduku man. Let one Titus.
Yeah.
Angazi bakuthena ngaswitch uTitus. Uyabona ba utapelo Murena nepace.
Yes.
Mele baba switchile yena no-Ora.
Yeah.
uTitus aye ngapha.
Yeah, ngoba umpremier.
Awuyazi igoli yazenzela awulindi kukhosa ukuxelele lona.
Yes.
Uyabo?
Exactly.
Switcha bra.
So did Rulani get it wrong? Rulani switch.
No, Steve Barker. Yeah, xa player even nobukhosa akathethanga niyaswitcha.
Yes, mawona ukuthi ngiyakuthola.
Yabo, yena uRulani wenze grand ngokhupha ulunga.
Afake uThapelo Murena.
Because le ntwana uyayibona mosibuya ine pace le like
Yeah.
Nepa that's why efake uMurena.
My brother, do you have a net bank account?
No.
Phela uyazi ukuthi ibhakani yama ngawina.
Yeah.
Kune 7 million ye team, 5 million yabalandeli.
Yeah?
Yes.
Kusasa ngene ebank.
Vula i-account my brother.
Netbank kusasa.
Maqeda ukuyivula, register ku netbankcup.co.za, faka ama details wakho lapha uthi uyibhakaniya and then you can stand a chance to win a share.
Noted.
5 million.
Noted.
Thank you.
See you. Bye.
Thank you, Jayavi.